G'day, welcome back to the shop. Now in this project I can see me getting a few dislikes because I'm not using all wood, but hey, that's not a problem. I've got a bit of pipe here. This is a bit of plastic pipe, what we call 300, even though it's 315, but that's another story.
Let's go and make something.
But I was kind of thinking of putting the four symbols of the car, our playing cards, as in hearts, diamonds, spades and clubs. Divide it into four quarters so I can put the area on. And to do that I need a circle. And I'm just going to use my bench because I can. It's a sacrificial bench, that is the whole point of it. That is 315. So if I put them, if I put that there like that, that all line up. So we know where the centre is because I've just marked it. All we've got to do is half, and we want that at 90. This is the other half. Now it doesn't have to be precise. That's all we want in there. We want that mark, this mark, and this mark. And all we're wanting to do now is replace the pipe on that circle. Then we can transfer I don't know if you can see that. We can transfer that mark, that mark. Strange enough, I know you can't see that one. And this mark over here. So we've now got our quarters, and now we want to sort of say, okay, we don't want to go within, say, 50mm from the bottom, or whatever 50mm is, 2 inches, and the same from the top. Adjust it to 50mm, and just draw your line. Okay, these are our 4 quarters, and in those areas is where we're going to put our design. However, we don't want the design to come right to the very edge, because if the next design comes right to the very edge, then we've got a problem and it becomes weak. So if we say each side of this line we go a ruler thickness, The next step, I'm just going to, with my grinder, it just has a normal sanding wheel attachment. I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit, tidy it up a little bit, and then we'll get onto some woodworking. Always time for a coffee. Have much pressure on these ones here, and you can already see that it's already starting to bow. And the idea of the bit in the middle, when you clamp it, it straightens it out. Mark it, both sides. This could be a limited tools project. You just need a jigsaw, a sander, and maybe a grinder if you with the sanding disc on it to round over the edges easier. That just makes it give it that rustic look. Overall, it's a very simple project to make. The hardest part about it is actually the very beginning, setting up your quarters and doing your design. Other than that, just treat it like wood. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can find us on Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Catch you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.